As part of my contribution to Mental Health Awareness Week, you guys know that I've been involved with Network Ireland Loud for just over 12 months now, and I have a lovely relationship with those gorgeous women in there. I was asked to speak on a panel this evening in the Westcourt Hotel. Let me just tell you a little bit about that. So Dr. Sabrina Brennan is going to be the keynote speaker, and she's going to be speaking about stress in your life, in the workplace, how it can be helpful, how it can be unhelpful, and ways in which we can combat around that. After Sabrina is finished speaking, that's actually my doctor ringing me, believe it or not, in the middle of this Mental Health Awareness Week. After Sabrina is finished speaking, myself and Lisa Dunbar, who is a health and nutrition coach, will be on a panel, and we're going to be interviewed by Jerry Kelly. So that's on tonight at 7:30 p.m. in the Westcourt Hotel here in Drogheda. The entrance fee is only €10. It's going to be a phenomenal event, and all of the proceeds go towards So Sad here, one of the fantastic services locally to us. So if you have any questions about that, or if you'd like to join us, please join us tonight in the Westcourt. It would be great to see you there, and the fact that it is for a charity means so much more to me. Take it easy. Slán.